Ngayon alam mo na yung pakiramdam na napagbibintangan na pabaya sa anak.
Malay ko bang gagawin niya to?
Di naman talaga yung gawain ni Lia eh.
Maybe you ask her to go here.
Is that it, Carolina? Is this your plan all along? Alam mong hindi mo makukuha si Lia kaya you tricked her to coming here. Hindi naman magkalakas loob ang bata kung hindi mo siya kinonsinti.
Alam mo, napakapraning mo na talaga. Dumating lang siya dito, walang plano-plano.
Okay, sige. If you didn't plan all this, ilabas mo si Lia. Let me bring my daughter home.
Ayoko po.
Lia?
Ayoko pong sumama sa inyo, Daddy, Ate Amber. I just want to be with my nanay. Leah, you can't stay here. Of course I can! Welcome naman po ako dito eh.
Lia, I can't let you stay here. Mali ito. At mali na umalis ka ng bahay without asking for permission.
That's what Nainay said too. Pero kahit naman po magpaalam ako, you won't let me come here eh. Hindi pa rin yun reason para umalis ka, Leah. What if something bad happened to you? Or worse, mapabayaan ka na naman dito. Na matigas ulo, sumama ka na sa amin, Leah. Let's go. Ayoko, Let's go home. Mama! Let's go home. You're homeless. No!